G'day, I'm Steve from Peak Equipment. We're at Peak Equipment HQ, and beside me is the Posch Autosplit 350, which is a very popular product and a great seller, especially in Australia. A common question that we get asked is, will it be able to handle hardwoods? Well, we're going to run through a selection today instead of just talking about it. We've got willow, Oregon, macrocarpa, eucalyptus, and that is ironbark, my friends. You cannot get harder than that, and that's been in parapole form for 50 years. This machine's super safe. There are no electric sensors, purely hydraulic. Lift the door, everything stops. This machine's electric start petrol. You can get other power options, PTO electric, or purely electric 400 volt 3-phase. This machine's also fitted with a hydraulic oil cooler, which keeps this going longer and protects your investment. So we're at the end of the run with those different timber species. So we've got the willow through here. We've got the Douglas fir, or Oregon, as some people call it, moving into the macrocarpa. The eucalyptus, that's fantastic kindling. Look how straight it is, nice, consistent kindling. And then we've moved on to the ironbark. And that's, again, fantastic kindling. Just shows how dry it is. Another unique feature of the Autosplit 350 with the X knife is that it's actually cutting through the knots, as you can see, so it's not reliant on the fracture. So another unique feature of this machine is that you can slow down or speed up the conveyor, and this determines the size of the wood. For the last exercise, we've dialed it right up to show you what it does to the firewood. So this is the eucalyptus running through the macrocarpa and your ironbark. So you can actually put rings of firewood through this, and that's the result you get. It's a great bit of kit, would be an awesome addition for any firewood business.